Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Elaine. Of course, you see above my head is tomato. Today we're going to do a little bit of pre-gardening 101, a few simple tips and tricks on how to create your own garden. First, starting off with our tomato. You can create this one tomato to make several, to either make indoor planting for a mini garden or outdoor planting for your own large garden. Stay tuned for our gardening and landscaping 101. Alright, for our tomato sprouts that we're going to make today, I have used beefsteak tomatoes, which they are sliced in about an inch to an inch and a half thick, making sure you have all the seeds inside of this your tomato when you cut them and slice them. I'm only doing 3 slices. Normally I'll do 4, depending on what size my pot is. For my pot, I have already soil already in my little container. And sometimes you get these containers from like your local garden store. They have some free or an old container from another plant that you had. Just something, nothing too spectacular that you have to use. I always like to pre-water a little bit before, just to get the soil a little moist. Then, from here, all you're doing is placing the tomatoes in your container. Just like so. And then just putting a thin layer of soil on top, just enough to cover. Not too much. And then you're going to water. Normally I go ahead and put them in a shaded area. Nothing with too much of full sun. So I put them on the front porch or the back patio will be nice. Just check them and make sure the soil is adequately moist. Don't let it get too dry. Give it about a week or so and you'll start to see sprouts. And that's it.
Or some ants been biting them.
You see ants on them?
I see a spider.